In the name of Allah, our today's lesson is passive with can and could. This is the second part. Today we study interrogative and negative sentences. The first example is here, can they teach English? This is an interrogative sentence. So in interrogative sentences, do not change the place of can. The place of can is at the beginning of the sentence. After can, use the object of the sentence, which is English. And after the object, use be. After the verb be or being, use the third form of the verb, which is taught here. The third form of teach is taught. Can they teach English? Can English be taught? The second example is, could they do it? Once again, in the C, could it be done? We haven't changed the place of could. Could is in its own place. And after could we use the object of the sentence. The object in the sentence is it. After the object we use be. After be, the third form of the verb do. The third form of do is done. The past participle form of do. Could they do it? Could it be done? The third example, can you do the chores? Can you do the chores? Here we should first find the object. See, the chores is the object of the sentence. We do not change the place of can. Can they do the chores? Can the chores be done? Here it is be done. So we brought the chores at the beginning. Can the chores? After that be, and after be, the third form of the verb, which is done, the third form of do. Can the chores be done? If you have negative sentences like they teach English, can't teach English, they can't or cannot teach English. So how do you change it? They can't teach English. Once again, bring English, which is the object at the beginning of the sentence. English. Then use cannot after English. Cannot or can't. After cannot be, use be. And after be, use the third form of the verb. English cannot be taught. Could they do it? If you change it to negative form, they could not or couldn't do it. So in here we have it, which is the object of the sentence. So what should we do? We should bring it at the beginning, and after that could not, and after could not be, after that the third form of the verb, which is done. It could not be done. If you have negative sentence C, do not once again change the place of can and bring the object of the sentence at the beginning. After the object, use can or could, cannot or could not. And after cannot or could not, use be. After be, use the third form of the verb. They can teach English. English can be taught. They could not do it. Here, see, we brought the object at the beginning of the sentence, which is at. Could not in its own place. And after that, we use be. And after be, the third form of the verb. It could not be done. I hope you understood something from this video.